Hello, welcome to Dr. RS channel. I am Dr. Rifat Siddiq. Today I'm going to talk about eye health. Eyes are so important because if we do not have a good eyes, we cannot see properly, and trust me, our life will be really on hold because we cannot stress enough that we should take care of our eyes, because it's one of the, actually everything is important in our body, but this is the top notch important important thing for our life. Because I have one patient who was young and he ended up having stroke and ended up losing his eyesight. He's able to do other things, but because he does not have the vision, so his life is literally on hold, so he cannot do a lot of stuff no matter what. So eyes are extremely important, so you need to pay attention to the eye health. Have your regular checkup done. If you're having headache, make sure you have your eyesight checked. But some of the most common problems, and one of them is dry eyes. So, and then other one is cataract, and the third one is macular degeneration, which is serious one. So we can do some things bring some things in our diet which can actually either prevent these problems or actually can help to even treat these, because those vitamins are extremely important for our eyes and they can prevent these problems. We don't have to have a fancy medications or fancy vitamins if we are taking care of our eyes at an early age, but we take so many things for granted. But please don't take eyes for granted because it's extremely important. So I have some simple tips. What are the most important food items should be in your diet which provide prevent these dryness of eyes or other problems? So vitamin A. Vitamin A is extremely important. It helps in actually helps the cornea, and it also helps in dryness. So it is extremely important. So what are the most common food items which will have the vitamin A? One is egg. I talk so much about egg. Eggs are extremely important, especially the yolk of the egg has vitamin D, vitamin A, full of vitamin A. So add 1 or 2 eggs, organic or vegetarian fed hen eggs, every day in your meals, either in the morning or in the evening. You can have boil, you can fry, any way. Eggs are extremely important. And carrots. Carrots have beta carotene, which is extremely important for your eyes. Everybody knows about it. So carrots and eyes, when we were growing up, we were told that carrots are extremely important. My mom will give a carrot to eat on a daily basis. So just don't be having a fancy, you can have the carrots and just wash it and you don't even have to peel off. Just eat it as it is. So it's a very good snack. You can take it with you anywhere in a small bag, and it's extremely important. It has extremely important ingredient which is beta carotene, and which is converting into vitamin A. Then we also need lutein and zeaxanthin. These two items we need for our vision. These items are extremely important, and spinach has plenty of this. So you need to start eating spinach. Spinach have other things also like B12, B6, but we need to add a little bit of spinach in our diet. You can have a salad, put a little spinach, some carrots. Every day you make sure that you take the spinach. The third thing is omega-3, which also keep our eyes lubricated, and also it helps in the eye, the lens, the vision. That's extremely important. So salmon has a lot of omega-3. So you need to have a lot of omega-3. If you cannot have fish, then maybe you need to have supplements. But I would say try the food item first. And then we also need another thing which is known as anthocyanin. Blueberries has a lot of this. Is a pigment, we need it, and blueberry has it a lot of. So we need to, just in conclusion, I would suggest that if we need to keep our eyes healthy, have a good vision, help in preventing the dryness, cataract, and macular degeneration, we need to have we need to see the doctor. We need to have 4 or 5 items in our diet every day. And if you have any diabetes or hypertension, which also can lead to the macular degeneration, so we need to see the doctor. But for generally, if you add these few items in your diet, it will help you a lot. Thank you for watching.